Do you know how to check the gearbox oil level in a truck? My name is Vitor and I'm gonna show you. The gearbox is the heart of your truck's transmission system, ensuring smooth gear shifts and efficient power transfer from the engine to the wheels.
Today, I'll be showing you how to check the gearbox fluid level, a critical maintenance task that keeps your transmission running smoothly. Ensure your truck is securely parked with the engine turned off. You'll need to lift the truck or to use a service pit in order to have access to the gearbox's underside, where you'll find the fill and drain plugs. Locate the gearbox fill plug and drain plug. These are typically found on the side or bottom of the gearbox. The fill plug allows you to add fluid, while the drain plug is used to empty the gearbox fluid as part of the change process. Today, we're focusing on checking and possibly topping up the fluid. Carefully remove the fill plug using the appropriate tools. In many trucks, this plug also serves as a level check. The fluid should be up to the edge of the fill plug hole. If you can't see any fluid, it's time to top up. If you need to add fluid, make sure to use the type specified by your truck's manufacturer. Using the wrong fluid can cause damage or affect the performance of your gearbox. It's a good idea to check around the gearbox for any signs of leaks, which could indicate a seal or gasket issue. Thank you for watching. For more truck maintenance tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to Valvoline channel.